After years of waiting, Amazon has finally released its first color e-reader, the $280 Kindle Colorsoft. But is it worth the hype? Let's break it down. Amazon claims the e-ink Kaleido 3 display wasn't good enough until now, but competitors like Kobo and Books have had color readers for years. Still, Amazon made custom tweaks to improve contrast, color accuracy, and page turn speeds. The Kindle Colorsoft 7-inch display has sharper contrast and uses warm lining adjustments to enhance readability. However, earlier models had a yellow band issue, which Amazon addressed through software and display tweaks. Compared to the $220 Kobo Libra color, the Kindle screen skews cooler, while Kobo's warmer tint makes colors appear richer. The Colorsoft introduces vivid mode for enhanced saturation, but the effect is subtle. Black and white text is slightly less sharp due to the extra color layer, while the UI remains familiar. Color makes library browsing more engaging. Page turns are fast, and pinch to zoom works well for comics and graphics. Unlike the Kindle Scribe, it lacks stylus support. It supports Bluetooth audio backs and has an auto-adjusting front light, but lacks page turn buttons. Kindle's vast ecosystem, Kindle Unlimited, and seamless Amazon integration are major perks. Kobo offers overdrive library borrowing, while Kindle's Send to Kindle option works well for multi-library users. The $250 Books Go Color 7 offers Android OS, Google Play access, and expandable storage, making it a powerful alternative for tech-savvy users. The Kobo Libra Color, priced lower at $220, includes page turn buttons and stylus support. If you want a color Kindle and are willing to pay a premium, the Colorsoft is the best option. However, if color isn't essential, the standard Kindle Paperwhite offers better value at a much lower price. While Amazon is late to the color e-reader game, the Kindle Colorsoft finally fills that gap in its lineup. So, is the Kindle Colorsoft worth it? That depends on your priorities. If you're invested in the Kindle ecosystem and crave color, go for it. But if you're looking for the best value, Kobo and Books offer strong competition. Thanks for watching!